Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications here, I started the Telegram group as well as the Facebook group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the 2003 permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from the 48 departments, and the short notice released regarding this advertisement or else this notification from one of the state public service commission. So let us see the details regarding this one. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. To the present content of the video, here you may check down that UP Higher Education Service Commission. So in this official website, here you can check down that the notice regarding invitation of application for the post of assistant professor for various subjects. So here one short notice is released, guys. Okay, not yet the online application form is released, and it is a short notice that you may check down here. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Service Commission has announced the recruitment of assistant professors, and the total number of vacant posts are 2002. And here this short notice is regarding the recruitment of assistant professor posts in various departments in the state's aided colleges. And while coming to the key dates, the online application is going to start from 25th of Feb 2021, and the closing date for submission of application will be 26th March 2021, and the written test will be held on the 26th May 2021. Okay, so this is a huge opportunity, guys, for the candidates waiting for the recruitment of assistant professor in the Uttar Pradesh. And according to the short notice, a total of 2002 vacancies of assistant professors are available in 48 departments, including the earth science, and the subject-wise vacancies will be uploaded on the official website in due course of the time. And all candidates should refer the official website for the latest updates, guys. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are looking for the, who are writing for the or else preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.